Hello everyone, welcome to MedVision. In today's video, we will learn how to identify pneumonia on chest X-ray using a simple and systematic approach. Pneumonia is one of the most common lung infection and the chest play a very important role in its diagnosis. In this video, we will discuss the important anatomical landmarks, key radiological signs of pneumonia, different X-ray appearance, and the earliest method to identify pneumonia quickly and accurately. So let's begin. Primarily, we are discuss about pneumonia. So, what is pneumonia? Pneumonia is an infection of the lung tissue that causes the inflammation and a filling of alveoli with fluid, pus, or inflammation material. Normally, lungs appears dark on X-ray because of the air filled in the lungs. But in pneumonia, the infection appearance became denser and appearance became white, opaque on the chest X-ray. You can see in this image the middle lobe and the lower lobe with a white consolidation and appearance of whiteness in this X-ray. So before diagnosing pneumonia, first identify a normal anatomy on chest X-ray. Primarily, you identify the trachea in middle line in shifted or not shifted. Compare a right lung, left lung comparison, the heart shadow appearance, and the diaphragm part. Very important is costophrenic angles and its sharpness and the hilar region. Normally, lung appears should black because of the air containing. You can see in the left lung, the entire lung is black, but in right lung, loss of the angles, loss of costophrenic angles, and a whitey patchy appearance seen in this image in the middle lobe and the lower lobe. In normal X-ray, diaphragm should be clearly visible, but in right side, a loss of diaphragmatically appearance and the heart borders should be remain sharp, but in right side there is absence of heart border. So these are the key features of pneumonia. If these abnormality seen in X-ray with white opacity inside the lungs, will suggest may pathology. Next is how to identify pneumonia. Let's discuss the most important signs of pneumonia. The most important signs that consider the main finding is lung concentration. Lung concentration appears as a white patchy or a opacity inside the lung field. You can see in the right side. The white patch or opacity, this is the most common sign that infected lungs area became white than a normal surrounding lungs area. Next important sign is a air bronchogram sign. You can see the black veins in the middle or the lower lobes. This sign is called air bronchogram sign. Sometimes you can see a dark branching air-filled bronchi inside the white consolidation. So this sign is called a bronchogram sign. It is a classic feature of the pneumonia. Third feature is loss of normal borders, maybe heart border or maybe diaphragm margins. So if you can see the right border is absent in this X-ray, so this is a classical sign, and this is called a Silhouette sign. So for example, a middle lobe pneumonia may be hide the right heart border, and lower lobe area may observe by the diaphragm. Diaphragm is not there, diaphragm shadow is not there, and heart shadow also is not there. So the middle lobe and the lower lobe are considered in this type of pneumonia. Pneumonia can affect the upper lobe, middle lobe, or the lower lobe, but the lower lobe of pneumonia is very common and may appear near the diaphragm. Always compare both sides by side to identify asymmetry of abnormality opacity. In this image of chest X-ray, we can observe abnormal white opacity in the left lower lung. Normally, the lungs appear dark because they contain air, but here the lower lobe of the left lung appear dense and whiter than the surrounding lungs filled. So the findings suggest left lower consultation consist with pneumonia, and because the findings are the white patchy appearance and the partial loss of the diaphragmatic outlines and the increased density of the retrocardiac region. So this typical reference of a lower lobe pneumonia. Now let's move the second chest X-ray. In this image, there is a large area of dense white opacity in the middle right and lower lung zones. The area contain a white consultations and air-filled opacities are findings and obstructions of the right heart border. So loss of a higher right heart border is called the Silhouette sign. The Silhouette sign help to localize as pneumonia because the right side heart border is obscured. This suggested the right side middle lobe pneumonia. We can discuss in above slide about the bronchogram within opacity. This is the another classic sign of the pneumonia. Now look for the third chest X-ray. The image show the extensive bilateral lower zone opacities, but the right side lung is more severely involved. You can see and compare the both sides. The findings are large dense consultation in the right lower lung, the patchy opacity in the left lower lung, and reduce saturation of both lung bases and probably bilateral infective appearance. So according to findings, we can call a bilateral basal pneumonia with more severe disease on the right side. And the right hemidiaphragm is partially obstructed due to the adjacent consultation. You can see in this image. So mainly patients come with these X-ray findings present with fever, productive cough, chest pain, shortness of breathing, fatigueness, chills, and increased respiration rate. Severe pneumonia may be cause low oxygen saturation and the respiration distress. So in today's video, we analyze the three different chest X-rays of pneumonia and learn how to identify consultation, Silhouette sign, air bronchogram, and the lower lobe involvement. Remember, normal lung appearance should dark and pneumonia create abnormal white opacity due to the infection and the fluid-filled alveoli. If you found this video is helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Med Vision for more radiology and physiotherapy education content. Thank you for watching.